I got bitches with me wild. I met a bitch in Bali. I met a bitch in Dallas. Now she work at Magic. Make a bitch move to the city, nigga. I got ball status. Da Vinci on my sweater, bitch. I'm way above average. Rolex on me on TikTok. Savage rock around with the big block. I'm a real gangster, I don't shit talk. Slaughter gang, nigga love to kill. All my pieces flooded. All my drinks come muddy.
Yes, sir. Coming at y'all with some TRX content. So keep this short and simple. These ball motherfuckers here. Well, these ain't that bad. I ain't gonna cap. These not that bad. But these back here, this is what we working on today, y'all. So, like I said, short and simple. Got these shit, Black Friday sale. Actually, hold up. How y'all doing today? My bad. I ain't mean start the vlog like that. But today, my boy, we got this. So I'm gonna switch it coming back around, my bad. These on Black Friday sale. Good little deal. I ain't really seen too many reviews on them. I ain't seen nothing bad. The reviews online, I got them from Walmart. The reviews online say they pretty good. But it don't even matter. I think they're gonna be a cool looking tread. I'm sure they're gonna be noisy because it's a mud grip. But I mean, hey, we need tires and they tires. So shit, we gonna put them on and basically, you know, put them on. And since I got a little drive from the tire shop, I'll go ahead and let y'all know how them things doing. So one dude on TikTok in my comments, he told me he had tried these and they pretty good. They just a little noisy or whatever. But shit, I ain't that picky, bro. So tires, and then next after this really the only like maintenance thing I need. I'm gonna do that, and then shit, get my truck detailed up. And then after that, the next step, we gonna do a little bit more performance stuff. Nothing crazy, nothing too crazy. But yeah, man. So on the road, go to the tire shop, and then I just holler at y'all when I get there. You know what I'm saying? Let you see how they look when they on the truck and stuff. I might wash the truck up too, little stuff like that. So shit, yeah, man. I'll holler at y'all in a little bit. So I thought I'd just go ahead and make a video on the old tires. Honestly, bro, it ain't really no noise at all on these. They do just fine. Yeah, so these pretty quiet. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, these pretty quiet. I don't even know what they are. I'll look at these. They like maybe Mastercraft or something. I don't know, bro. When I get out the whip though, I'll show y'all these. But y'all here, it's real quiet and with the music up. But I mean, I don't really mind no tire howl anyway. You know, you mess with the big wheels and all that other stuff, bro. Them whatchamacallit, them gladiators and stuff like that, like they be noisy, bro. And like, I don't mind no little noise. It'll put you to sleep. Or if you got little ones like my nephew and stuff, he be sleep off that type stuff. So yeah. Like I said, I'll holler at y'all when I get to the shop though. So what's on there right now is Good Ride Terra Legend. I ain't really a fan. They cool. They was real decent when I first picked them up, but like, I do remember when I first bought this truck in the rain, they ain't the most stable. So, I mean, they low too, but it's to the point like I shouldn't be slipping and sliding. You feel me? The wear bar is just not showing. Well, actually, ain't even all the way down to the wear bars back there, but they cool. Not real aggressive, kind of like an AT, I guess. So, after we get them on, this bit dirty. I get this bit cleaned up. Now I holler back at y'all. So yeah, we up here. This is where I usually get all my shit. They do my old school too. They one of the only places in the city that can really do like a rubber band. And even though this ain't rubber band, I just come up here because these folks got like 1,500 reviews and 5 stars. So, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. I'll be trying to buy ones, cry ones, you know what I'm saying? It used to be cheap as hell. Anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit after they get this shit done. So boom, got them things on there. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm finna go to the car wash right quick, at least knock the dust off. That's how we looking. Yeah. I like them. They look aggressive as hell. Yeah. Hell yeah. So shit, I'm gonna knock this dust off right quick and let y'all hear how they ride. And then shit, once I get back to the crib, shit, we'll close this out for real, for real. So shit, this right now just cruising on the parkway. I hear them, but it ain't nothing crazy. None that I even care about. With the music on, you'll never know that shit though. I don't even know if y'all gonna be able to hear them things for real. I mean, to me, it sounds like a truck. So, yeah. So I'm finna hit the highway, I think, so we can see what they sound like on there. So, yeah, be back in a second. Alright, so we on the highway now. It might be quiet on the highway. Shit, I ain't complaining. I ain't complaining, they sound just fine to me. Yeah, they sound just fine to me, shit. Ride good too. They're not choppy or nothing like that. And I'm sure once they like really get worn in, they'll be even better. It feel like it handle a little different though on these. I don't know if these stiffer or something like that, but shit, I ain't complaining at all, bro. Just, I know a lot of y'all curious. I paid like $700 something for the whole set. It was like, I don't even remember how much the tire. But like I bought mine online too. And since it was at Walmart, I ain't have to pay no shipping because I just did the local pickup. I feel like it handled pretty good on these hoes, pretty responsive. But yeah. So far so good, bro. I ain't even finna go and knock this dust off because for real, what I'm gonna do is end this vlog tomorrow when I really clean the truck up because this shit look pitiful. I mean, it's you know what I'm saying? This is my truck. It look too dirty right now. So I'll probably get a wash on this motherfucker tomorrow or something like that. Or Sunday. So whenever I do that, that's when I finish the vlog off. So that's it right now though. I ain't tripping. So I'll be back in a little bit. Let's just wrap this vlog up from a week ago. I didn't get to wash it, as I can see. So long story short, bro, my keys ended up getting stolen to the truck like a week or so ago. No, my truck didn't get stolen, nothing like that, but I was in Mississippi and at some point between the truck stopping and just moving around, somebody took my keys. How I know they took them because they didn't get lost. So I'm leaving it at that. But yeah, man. Overall, to close this out with these tires, I like them. I give them probably like a 9 out of 10 or at least an 8.5. For the price, at least a 9. You know what I'm saying? You see the truck there, this is real world use. Noisy for sure, but it's like it's tolerable noise. So the noise I'm talking about, like on the highway, they got a little bit of howl, especially if you didn't have mud tires before. You know what to expect with that. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it, really. They got a little bit of noise, and then I would say if you put them on a truck like a TRX, you gotta understand with it being a mud tire, it's a little softer, so maybe in the corners you don't need to be going too fast, but at the same time it's a TRX. You shouldn't be busting the corners too fast anyway. Yeah, man, solid TRX on mud tires. I give it a good. It's worth it. I done got pretty compliments on these tires, even though the truck ain't been clean, just because how the tread look like. You know what I'm saying? Look pretty good. So yeah, man, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Keep talking about no nonsense. Next, what we gonna do, bro? At some point, I want to get the blower ported. At some point, I also want to do exhaust. My bad, people driving by. Exhaust. Thinking at least a cat delete, but in the meantime, I might swap the mufflers too and wake it up a little bit. Truck still got a good bit of warranty left on it, so I really been trying to wait before I do too much tuning and stuff. So if I do exhaust, it'll just be something, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. Maybe some Black Widow mufflers or some shit like that. But yeah. So we're gonna get into that next, but we got that ZL1 content going. We got some ZL1 content and stuff coming soon. I know y'all been waiting on that. Gonna try to get to the track. I got some bolt-ons and stuff in the box I still ain't done. My sister bought, my hair look crazy right now. I got some stuff that my sister had bought for me that I ain't done. So I'm gonna do that. But I also want to get y'all opinion, bro. I've been thinking about a new platform. I know y'all love the Z, and I ain't really done too much stick shit racing and shit with it. That's my plan. So y'all tell me in the comments, brother, y'all still want to see me get down with the ZL1 with the racing? Or do y'all want to see something new? We could go Hellcat, we can go. Don't really want to go BMW, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's an option though. We can go back vet. ZR1 is an option. I ain't really messing with the C7. Any type of built C6 or some shit like that is an option. But I'm really just thinking of sticking with the Z because at the end of the day in this economy, bro, it ain't that you can buy shit and get a good deal to start anyway. So y'all let me know, man. But you know, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. I know I keep saying I'm gonna be consistent. I be lying, but I'm gonna do what I can because, bro, it's a new year. It's gonna be 2026, so I'm trying to do better, man. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see. You know what I'm saying? We'll be back with another one soon.
Cash rules everything around me. Dream, get the money. Dollar bill, yeah.